How to access the age restriction in your Discord on the iOS. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can access the age restriction in your Discord on the iOS. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your Discord application. So now once you are in here, you have to go on the home page, and from here you have to click on this bottom right corner and go in your profile. Now from here you have to go on the privacy and the safety, and as you can see that here is the no option to access the age restriction. So what you have to do is simply go back and you have to go in your Safari browser, and from here you just have to go on the plus icon and you just have to search for the Discord. So now once you are in, you have to click on this first link of the discord.com, and from here once you are in the login page, here you have to log in your account that you want to log in your Discord by adding the age restrictions. So now once you are in the login page, here you have to add all of your login detail and you have to add your Discord account. So once you add your Discord account and you are in the Discord homepage, so what you have to do is simply click on this home page, and from here you have to click on these three horizontal lines that is in the top left corner, and from here you have to go on this bottom right corner and click on this gear icon to go in your Discord settings, and from here you have to go on the privacy and the safety. So now once you are in, you just have to scroll down a little bit, and as you can see that here is the option of the allow access to age restricted servers in your iOS. So that's how you can access your age restrictions in your Discord on the iOS. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.